What's the biggest mistake engineers make when designing for EMC compliance?
That they don't consider EMC the
At
design
all.
stage. Yeah.
Yes. So what would you recommend an engineer who has very little budget but wants to be a good engineer and make sure they've considered good EMC practices? What would you recommend they do?
That they consider, well, that they start allocating some space and resources on the board for EMC, even if they don't have the final answer. But they know, for example, they have the idea that they will need some filters, so to allocate the space, then later for some capacitors, so that they start thinking about it and then figure it out after in later stages of the design. But at least that they have already the mental space and time for working later on EMC.
That was good.
That's good.
That was good.
I was thinking that you were going to say that read this book, Tom Morrison's Electromagnetic Shielding and the EMI.
Yeah, I've done it. Yeah.
That book is good.
Yeah, I know.
I said little budget, not little time. You're right. What's one simple tip every PCB designer should know to avoid the most critical EMI issues?
If you think that you have spent enough time designing your stack up, spend 10 times more. So dedicate enough time to design your stack up.
Which means a hurriedly designed stack up is a very bad thing.
Yeah.
Or not having any clue about your stack up.
Yeah. Or trusting blindly online
reference stack ups.
Lucy, please note, whenever a customer asks for a stack up, we should never give it on the same day.
We do a lot of free stack ups for our customers. A lot.
Okay.
In spite of the fact that we have an online tool.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Okay. Interesting.
They become complicated stack ups.
Yeah.
You know, like a rigid flex with
Especially
critical
multiple
signals.
laminations, SDI,
Yep.
and all that stuff. Okay. Good.
And then, so we kind of talked about this a little bit, your tool and your online tool, and then, and how does it fit into the workflow,
Yep.
right? And right now it's an analysis tool, and you don't want to be a simulation tool. So, because we're in 2025, how is AI going to change your tool?
Yep. So today what we are doing is bridging or closing the gap between designers and EMC expertise.
Yes.
And we are doing it by building the platform or by bringing experts. And today the process, we are totally transparent there. It's very manual. So we have a platform, it works fine, but still it's
a lot of manual.
But we have an online viewer, we have where people can navigate over their boards, and at some point, these tasks cannot be done more automatically, or manually anymore. So then we need to automate. We need to reduce the friction there. So it's clear that there is a future of automation there where we want to automate tasks that are repetitive and that are not adding value because they are the same again and again, and that also that we need technology to help us as CMC experts, but also our customers.